Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V10. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V10 is making a terrible noise and losing suction, you're not alone. This problem often arises due to a failing motor, which can lead to diminished performance and might even cause further damage if left unresolved. Ignoring these symptoms could result in a more costly repair down the line, so it's best to tackle this issue promptly. For this repair, you'll need a set of Torx screwdrivers, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a replacement motor for your Dyson V10. To begin, ensure the vacuum is unplugged for safety. Start by removing the dustbin and the filter. Next, locate the screws that hold the main casing together. These are usually found on the rear and sides of the unit. Carefully use your Torx screwdriver to remove these screws, taking care to keep them in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the casing using the flathead screwdriver, being cautious not to damage any clips or tabs. Inside, you should see the motor assembly. The motor is typically secured with additional screws and possibly some clips. Identify these fasteners and remove them carefully. When extracting the motor, be mindful of any connected wires. Gently disconnect them using your pliers, ensuring you remember their configuration for reassembly. Take your new motor and connect the wires in the same order as the old one. Once connected, position the new motor in place and secure it with the screws you previously removed. As you tighten the screws, apply just enough force to ensure they are secure but avoid over-tightening, which could damage the plastic casing. After the motor is secured, reassemble the casing by aligning all clips and ensuring a snug fit. Replace the screws on the rear and sides, ensuring everything is tightly fastened. Finally, reinsert the dustbin and filter, plug in your Dyson V10, and turn it on to check for proper operation. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to regularly clean the filters and check for blockages in the hose. Keeping your Dyson well maintained can significantly extend its life and performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.